In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create a local user account on your PC. Let's get started. First, you search for settings. Now click on account. Select family and other users. Click add someone else to this PC. Now all you have to do is to fill in the information here. So let's say, let me fix text. So I will just fill in the name I want to use. I won't worry about the password for now. So if you want to, you can add your password, but now let's just stick with just the username, the name of the account. Now you click on next. So the account has been created. This is it, text. We have mainly two different types of local user account in Windows. Namely, we have the standard and we have the administrator. Now if you click here, you can see we have administrator and we have the standard here. So the standard user accounts are for everybody using the PC. So that's what standard is meant for. But the administrator here, the administrator account provide the most control over the computer. So it should be used when necessary. So if you're an administrator and you want to create a user account for a standard user, maybe in a firm, you are creating an account for the workers, so you might want to stick to standard user instead of administrator. This is how to create a local user account in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my videos. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can check the link in the description below. So I will put the link in the description below that leads to my Facebook and my Instagram handle. Do well to please check and follow up. Bye for now.